Na mema wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so. Mestre will subscribe to my channel. Founsa mi abel ne so. Ube a notification. Ene sa ni news e de betu bia ubenye bia tie. Anasa ubenye bia share. Ewo GCN page ha midin e de adwoa sechi. Kofi Adoma wani e na okase na Kofi Adoma ne nsema okan na ne se. Eye Honorable Kennedy Akompreko e Japan a oye MP de ma Asin Central. Sometimes honorable ni informations and as any evidences or gather at the Betina TV so say me want information about this particular person and as more evidence with this here asumesino. Sometimes ye be kombe shishembe kobebano. Na informations and as evidences honorable Kennedy Akompreko e Japan e de ebeba out no na efa eye no kware. Na de enti Kofi Adoma weni ekase no emu enchiremuni. Enano na Cape Coast Court ruling against a Honorable Kwasin Asin North MP say he's no more an MP on to me to also as MP tino on funny two sina engufem na Asin North omo enye by election na reason na and say Honorable Kwasin a dual citizen or a citizen ewa Canada esanso a citizen ewa Ghana na Ghana constitution so say onya citizen ewa Ghana untumen standing as member of parliament entino Honorable Kwasin omo ehwehwe mekobae no oye dual citizen ewo Canada esanso eye Ghana entino enya de obetumi atoaso as member of parliament e honsem abebe Ghana fo bi etrese NDC fo enibre greedy eye omo de yi papa because omo epen krofo aka omo ho na omo etumi enya speaker of parliament enti ena omo aye piempia papa ya ede no akwakoto asem ehun sem be abe bebre Ghana hanu ne no ena Kofi Adoma wani a oye adwuma ewo Angel FM omo morning show omo host no omo ebo recording bi ewo so a Honorable Kennedy Akompreko e Japan abro aye ba beto aba no na oye campaign ewo asen na ne sem bia o kan say Honorable Kwasin Honorable HSO or information bebre e wo ne ho a e kire se on di now say onye citizen e wo Canada enti no on to me standing as MP na so honorable wanti ase na wenjai na so standing na so moto ne so aba na so wini a honorable so the information na e beba out na ye nhwe se e call e ba ya asem ne call court na de Honorable Kwasin see court ebu etia ne say onye citizen wo Ghana enti on to me MP wo ha no no e na Kofi Adoma wani e kire se sometimes honorable ne nsem a oka no e fa e wo because oka so information about a Honorable Kwasin say onye citizen e wo Ghana hanom no ye nhwe se abima ende papa ne ho akwakoba sem na say e na Kofi Adoma wani e de etuja
Chatwo, I'm a citizen obi anya citizen sin obi even the president is not more of a citizen than me aha nti e na to me kire adwen and adwen kire no so enya force so obefa nti en kura de ha me but me feel say it's about time we discuss this dual
no, but let me nana ya yenhwa de we can most of the facts or the bano obere mu a na akwa kwesi so
oh na one that to Kofi
and so if an individual is able to gather information to this extent now the whole electoral commission and political parties are not able to do this and we are by causing financial loss to the state because the person by elections or am easy officials alcohol you best all this
unim say senka isi the political party they know they call general elections there's a budget on the call but trust me sika almost spend it on a constituency in a general election it's far less than the money they spend in a by-election in one constituency. And I'm sure it will be the same thing, I don't know, with the electoral commission.
Because now, whatever they are going to print, they are printing in Hong Kong. First, I'm printing in bulk.
Yes.
And when you are printing
and the
in
more
bulk,
you print,
the
less you pay.
Now,
I see class of the co. What didn't want to
yeah.
But I think it's about time, as I said, no. You're this dual citizens because the law is different. Say, we are dual citizens. There are some things you can do here in Ghana. Yeah. It doesn't stop you.
No, you to be a member of parliament. You can't owe allegiance to Omanfophobia.
Because you can Ghana ni MP. Oh, you can Ghana ni say UK ni.
Okita Ghana ni meba okita Ghana 4D meba okita Ghana 4D.
Eh Ghana ni by birth. By oh share oh hankrata na oye ho ni.
E bia no e British ni.
Both.
Oh there be
both.
Amani be jitumo. I see to me jino hone say.
Enti Ghana enyi nto.
Said honestly.
Dabi obasa osum yen ya. Obasa osum o man na. Dabi adini nipa no oye Ghana ni pi kura no ne omoton ye man. Na ono a ebo fa da ebo mu a ho asesa ne makọ. Ebo mu a ho mfa no ho. Wo mu aye fu Ghanaians 100% kura no. Niri ni magwa breche. Ono ototo niam no papa so a eba ye ahwi no okọ. Dabi ye ko bi a oye Ghana ni pi. No wakuma nyina ye Ghana. Now also for patrols no mu bi. Oh, it is there. It is there.
Isn't that here?
It is there.
And finance minister nya COVID. Wo mu a ka Ghana ha ka Ghana ha. Wo no kwa san ho yare wa blochiri. Enso na Ghana Lagos hospital wo ho. Kwa fa no che wo ho. Kwa lebu wo ho. Ene ade. Akopra ku ye kekure. Wo no kura yare a kwa America kwa san ho yare afum so bi ene ho.
Na kakra mesere ne sesebe sa en kutiri we ni kwa say we see a time ma wo because said in period sa you me pesa me de manu kwa be bu mutini because me ba bru chi me fa say 18 years hwan ni Jonas ne hwan ni san kurase fo no mu so mu pe ni mu pese mu nya followers no e ba bru chi da be ya wono na e be chem za bru chi grass wa ha o ba bru chi da be chem za bru chi e bass na mu che enti sa wo patrabru chire na sa wo abruchi na sa wo masa ntimi ni we koton na wo the internet na I think say no aboda you are sick I'm telling you because me who any person be aba wo de ba me yibia me delete ko yes me delete because me person me who wo mukra me phone so phone na me am because said the previous when you sabe no wo mutima e tie the attention nyina ma wo
ana uni bibi ebinu say Kini Jonas ya Malcolm X ni Martin Luther King no. Sana nkrofo kan.
Can you imagine? We don't say can no ne be man no ne say. Any perfume we. Ya na say adwene na da yitiri mu no sabi na kan so bia na adwene anka sabi previous an. Ghana ni ti Ghana da force say yentu ambi MPP abam ni sa fa this mra power. Sabi who the trust imagine. Jini ye juma ko bi tika na pair for so say MPP abana je kufu adene ne penimfo trash o mba ya magana no yenyi wo mu fe ne sa friend this for na this for e wan ye school fees no nya ko toye said the translation we no bi de minimum say ene me ekoso o Ghana abane bon ho model but because of that enkwasiafo we ti no asi attention nyina be di wo mu so enti mo me yenyi wo masam no tontwene na di o man ne ko nyamo hu de wuro ankyire nyansafo because the people dey ready some person who the man ne ko na omu tire by the na yenya sa nyai we mu asebe mu no di mu be di enti mu ye de sabe ne gamen nso yida fa no mu ko twa New York na no me de sade madam ba New York City ene nso yida fa na de no ko janko twa daga na mo he New York on say nyame tia mu because of some ye cares tanko from na mo ye no me e ma o ma bi o mbeko so bia e no mo dro Europe no e na na Europeans no so e face the same problem no mo ye cares nyame cares wo mu dada es mo ma ni o ma samo to chire bro na ye fo to ye man no ye koso anye no ye nche e fe ni koso bi se koso na o mu na o ma ni develop ni nyina enko ye chi because I am ready say ye be ko ye chi
yes
I am ready because you me for be my ready say be ko ye chi
because me say you mpacho koso na sorry to interrupt sorry
me like say you so no sabe MPP for penny for say na brother okata America say you can MPP for penny for especially parliamentarians no mu ye failure me ni ba kukura film apart from Canada Japan
yes
because said who to me when yana and e bia ye do akoto for to be so no I get true MPP no na do buy MPP ni wa to me na free won sa I didn't see them go for thinking a good party anymore. No more book to Namu to a no, because it's about time I say I can't get a because I would say, Canada Parliament. No, not MPP for you know,
woman natural referee no, I wouldn't defend no. Uncle Ken, they don't defend him. MPP people, they don't defend him. No money, Jano. No more Jania Jano. Son of Money. Uncle Ken as sometimes Uncle Ken should leave them alone. I try to tell him, Uncle Ken, this your people. I know so like you do have a good heart, and some of them you have been in parliament to them for so long, but they don't like you because how come say NDC ni nya asemo a ubenya MPP ni manako support akotro something nice about NDC ni. Eso ye chicken de Japan pe no bia yinama as a papa isabi onye nipa no bia yinama mo fa no ko mo fa ni yefe.
Kasa wakata ma ne ho. Sa report ya sama no ka me that dey mitie bi. Report no the mind I wrong. And then I say nipa bi bufo ma enkrofo ma ne krofo no mo ti se wo mu no mo nipa.
Enipa mienu awu o. Eno de yan ti ne ho say reporter German krofo mienu awu. Eno de yan mo dia Kennedy akoka ni wo no. Eno no mo peso mu gina so de propaganda na weigh your mind. Weigh your mind. Onipa no e chi ya gina su say propaganda na nipa mienu akowu senseless death for incessant ko mu wu. Omo pa na ka mo asabe mo krofo brade Ghana
mo twuma ne to kana Japan se ko ka ye no eno na mo so de kopa but we nyimi ya be ta pa se mo de kopa o se o ma twede o ba me nyina no ya no tia panifo but ye no mo ye but ye akọ ne de ya to do
ya eno anu mi a eno anu wa
Japan party for MPP ya me sin ne MPP fa yo mo twire mo de fo bi se ye fa ta mo nche se o mo ye me hia tadi ye pa me o mo ye me hi
answer now.
Musi pa na mo position na se mo be he de fa mo de ko power no.
Answer now obeko no madam Fubi or hwe sesi anana ya like me ni na schoolmate. Ono no train my genius so kwesi adwuma wo ye no ho. Eye adwuma pa na wo ye ade so because so far dia wo ye ni na papa. But sa party for we no, sa MPP for we no kwesi asemo ba omu be yiwa ma omu be ja wo ho.
I don't know.
Asamo ba omu beja wo ho nti kwesi ye susu na me no say me no asema ya me ho say bra to be honest with you and God is my truth say me do Akufo-Addo and me do Bawumia sanko for me no me do like I love those two men so much say when I see say obi say tale asuna grow me think obi say Akufo-Addo say ya na me nso no Bawumia kra de omo na omo ya Bawumia etumi kame saa beka se me enough ni kra tese omo ya Bawumia na kame etumi kame saa na bibia me se me nso camera na nipa no mindidi na temu bia so ati ase but at the end of the day
it's the same thing.
It's sad because she say ye na wa ba mu bra answer na me ja o ma we wa kono she say ye na wa ba mu na your communication team our communication leader now every week bia instead of the communication team coming up with a strategy, said this week we near de kwa kokano. Because we have a kickback communications team who would sit back and look at what the opposition would throw inside. And what kills me about this communication team, they say, with the exception of a few people, I brought Jennifer Nomina the idea no. Almost time my NBC for no, Sami Delfino. And the propaganda at the year TV press conference, Manu Road Ragana for 3 years.